What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at some grabs I got from Great Lakes Steelhead this past spring. This video is particularly special to me for one reason in specific, but you guys will have to wait till about just past the middle, closer to the end of the video to see why, and it'll make sense pretty quick once you see it. We'll kick this video off with the first grab of the season on a brisk -6 morning right after a fresh rainfall. First morning of spring, water levels are looking good, fish are running, and I'm heading out for my first day of the season. Pretty excited. Hopefully we can get a couple of grabs today. Do me a favor and hit this video with a thumbs up, and also if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would mean a lot to me and would really motivate me to create more content for you guys. So jump down there, hit the like button, and subscribe. I'm on. It is a steelhead. It is a steelhead. It's a nice fish. It's a pretty fish. Beauty. Okay. Might draw it down for a second. Cold spring day, unfortunately, so best way to combat that is a skinny boy. Just have a nice cup of hot tea, a little bit of peppermint, get the steam off that for the hands. Okay, that is feeling very nice right now. Oh yes, get some feeling back in the hands. Oh, that was a super lethargic fish, but fish nonetheless. Zero complaints. Yep, that'll do. I was sprinting down the river, like going with the wading. Here we go. This thing's hot. That's the one. On camera too? Yeah. Grabbed it good though. I thought that was bottom too. I was like, oh no. Alright, G, you ready? Ooh, she's not ready.
Not having it.
No, she's not impressed with us.
Fish and vinegar right there.
Pretty good hot spring fish. Jesus. No, you're good, man, you're alright. Alright, see if we can scoop him on this one. Atta boy. Nice, Gabe. How's she looking?
Drop back. That's hot for a drop back.
Dude, I don't think that's, is that a drop?
Fish.
Sweet, man. I don't know if that's, is that it? Is it a drop?
Yeah, tail's kind of messed up.
Oh, you're right, too. We'll take it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Sweet, okay. Alright. Alright, girl. Buddy. Sweet, man. Thank you for that.
No problem.
Good work. Good netting. Good fishing. That was a good grab too. I kind of like it. It went tight, and then it kind of didn't do anything, so I was like, oh, bottom, and then as soon as I kind of come back on it, it was just like, and it went. I was like, okay, we're playing now. So fast forward about a month and a bit, and here we are just after trout opener here in southern Ontario, and I was able to squeak out for a little afternoon session on a cold front, if you can believe that, and I ended up winding into a really good bite here. I'm on. That's the bite. That's the bite. That's the bite. Big one. Oh, that's a unit. Oh. That is a big girl. Holy cow. Spans the entire net. Tail's a little roughed up. She's post spawn. There's a nice steelhead there. Beauty. Big girl. Swims. Decent. Good grab. So this next part is a continuation of last year's segment with Sylvia, my girlfriend, and it's just kind of, we're picking up where we left off last year. She didn't get a fish last year. It was a lot of work to try to introduce her to the space, the waders, the wading, the casting, all of those elements pieced into one. Was overwhelming for both of us, for me to teach her and for her to, absorb and learn. So here we are 1 year later. She's feeling a lot more confident. We've been out a handful of times since then. She's been able to practice her cast and her, her techniques, and we've kind of got it to a point where we're able to efficiently fish at least 70% of the waters that I bring her to. And we ended up spending a couple of days after opener this year chasing after some Great Lakes steelhead, and she got a couple of good grabs that didn't stick. It's almost worth the snag now, just because you're starting to get into like that deep pockety water where they could just be sulking, and the fly will just dangle over them like this, and if they're if they're feeling it, they'll pump it. There, you just got bit. Stop. Let go. Let go. Let it go. Let it go. Okay. So here's what we do. What we're gonna do is just take about 3-4 steps back. 3-4 steps back. That fish isn't going anywhere. I don't think he stung himself. On the last day before a huge rainfall, when it was gonna blow out the entire river, we were pretty low hopes, kind of bummed out. It wasn't happening, and sure enough, we got surprised with a really good grab. Nice. Okay. Try to step out a little bit more, out into it. Yeah, there you go. There's more swinging potential on that side than there is on this side, because it's a deep cut on that side. Yeah, you're on. Sylvia, you just got smoked. You're on. Lift up. Okay, now start reeling. Let go. Yeah, there you go. Remember what I told you, right? You got it, babes. Okay, let him do his thing, and keep that rod sideways like this. There you go. Keep going. Keep reeling on him. Just keep that rod nice and sideways like that. Walk back. Atta girl. You got her. Holy, you did it. You got freight trained. Okay. Yep. You keep reeling. Reel. Okay. It's a beautiful one too.
That happened so fast. Why am I crying?
You did it. You did it.
It's an immaculate, beautiful fish.
Oh my god. I can't believe it.
That's a perfect fish. Okay, Sylvia, hold your fish. Just keep him in the water like that. Just hold him like this and just keep him in the water. Whew. Okay.
You know what's so funny too? It's just a second ago I was standing there and I was like, this just doesn't feel like it's gonna happen here.
You get smoked. And beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, perfect, back in the net.
How do I do that?
Dude, I'm smoked right now. First Great Lakes steelhead on the swing. Was it worth the frustrations?
Yeah.
Okay, when you're ready, you grab a hold of his tail and his belly and we'll support him and let him swim. Okay, let it rip whenever you're ready. Just hold him, wait till it kicks. Wait, she'll let you know when she's ready. Okay.
Ooh, that was nice. That was pretty.
Oh my god. That was the most stressful thing of my life. That may have been the most stressful thing of my life.
Hey, how do you think I felt? I felt so much pressure to do this, to get this done, because I knew how happy it would make me.
Wasn't that pretty exciting when it just smoked it?
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. I just told you, I was literally standing there and I was like, this is not gonna happen here. Like, it looked so quiet, it just was raining, and then whoa!
It smokes it.
I was like, oh, okay. 5 minutes in.
So that right there was 2 years worth of patience, struggles, frustrations, excitement, all of the emotions packed into a little 5-minute session right there. Super happy it finally happened. I know Sylvia was just as excited as I was, and yeah, that was the big moment of the spring for me, finally getting her on a fish and seeing it all come together. That was pretty much my spring in a nutshell. We also got into a surprise Atlantic salmon with Gabriel, who you've seen in previous videos. He got his first fish on the swing last year when we were fishing in the springtime, and he has since really gravitated towards the technique and, you know, taken off with it. So that was pretty exciting as well, to see a super silver chromed up Atlantic salmon like that. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and we will catch you guys in the next clip. Take it easy.